Today, I'm going to be answering a question from one of our followers about stuckness. I hear a lot of people talking about getting stuck either at the beginning of their organizing journey or sometimes in the big scary middle. But the question is, why do I not care enough to do this, even when I know I'd love the results? It's such a great question, and it shows the person's understanding that they are feeling stuck and that there's something deeper going on. So I feel like many of you can probably relate to this feeling of stuckness. I know that I can. So type stuck in the comments if you've ever felt stuck when you were on your decluttering or organizing journey. So this question points to the importance of doing the deeper inner work and examining your beliefs, your thought patterns, and your self-talk. A lot of these things we've talked about in other videos. Um, a lot of times we can have beliefs about decluttering that it's too hard, it's going to take too long, it's overwhelming, it's boring. When you hear those thoughts, tune in and ask yourself, okay, what is really keeping me from doing this? You can journal, meditate, speak with a professional, leave a comment here, and find support in my Declutter Your Life, Free Your Spirit Facebook group. But what you want to do is find out what is the resistance really about. And another helpful question to ask when you're feeling stuck is, what's important about what it is that I want to accomplish? Is it important? Does it still feel important? If it is, that will help you to move through that stuckness. And I encourage you to go below. I encourage you to go below the surface reasons for why you're decluttering. Well, just because I'm having people over, for example, or just because I need to clear this off so I can make breakfast. What are the deeper reasons that you want to declutter and organize? And what is holding you back from giving yourself the gift of a clear space to do whatever's important to you? Or even just having a clear desk or a tidy closet. Notice whether you're feeling stuck because of competing priorities, because of strong emotions, or because one of those limiting beliefs, like thinking that it's going to be hard. And a tip that I've shared many times before is one way to get unstuck is just to set a timer for 5 minutes. You can do anything for 5 minutes. And then if that doesn't help you break through your stuckness, do some more of that inner exploration. But let us know either way. Let us know what you discover in the comments.